Hey, I'm Bobby with MetalFabCreations. Welcome back. Today I want to start on a mini bike kit, and I get to use my tubing notcher for pretty much the first time. I've played with it a little bit, but I haven't used it on a project yet. Look this thing up if you're looking for a really nice tubing notcher. BuildCoTools.com. It's a functioning, multi-functioning tubing notcher. It's nice. Look it up. BuildCoTools.com. Anyways, we're gonna start cutting up some tubing for a mini bike kit for Haslip CycleWorks giveaway. I'm going to be cutting it up, packaging it, and shipping it to the winner of the Haslip CycleWorks 1,000 subscriber giveaway that he did. That guy's a lucky guy. This is going to be a cool kit. He even got wheels and tires and other parts for it. So check him out, Haslip CycleWorks. Yeah, He's going to be coming with some really nice stuff. His latest one is a plasma table, a CNC plasma table. I'm jealous, but I'm excited for him too, so check him out. Anyways, I'm going to start cutting on some tubing, notching it, bending it and everything, so keep watching. Okay, now that I have those cut, I'm going to measure, and first I got to clean the burrs off, and then I'm going to measure and notch these things. These four won't get notched. Those are the mainframe. This is the forks. These four are the engine mount. This goes to the forks. This is the handlebar crossbar. This is the neck. I ordered some 7/8 that I use for the handlebars. The handles, I'm waiting for that, but those should be here in a couple days, I'm thinking, so hopefully. I also got to cut some flat stock for the front wheel axle mount. I always make those adjustable, kind of like with a couple different height settings, so I was doing it different. I changed it up. I like it better now. I got some axle hangers, bearing hangers for 1 inch, and then this is the neck bearing bolt, or neck bolt with the flat stock tabs I built for those, and the bearings. I use bearings. So if it looks like the tubing amount doubled, it did. I decided I wanted to cut another one to build myself and probably sell. So I'll have one of these frames ready to sell once it's done too. So this is my original mini bike kit on my website, MetalFabCreations.com. Go check it out if you want. This hole saw is junk. The other notcher, it wouldn't hold it in line very good. It wasn't very strong, and if you had it too far away, it wanted to bite and pull out. I don't know if I can explain it right, but it kind of warped my hole saws. I have a good one somewhere. I just don't remember where it is. I don't know if this is it or not, so I'm going to try it. It seems to work better, but it's still not a new one. I'm going to go ahead and clamp this down too. Yeah, something like that. Okay, so my impressions on this notcher, 2 thumbs up. If I had more, I would give more thumbs. It is nice. It cut down my production time, the notching time, like dramatically. The other one I'd have to fight with and try to adjust right and use my angle finder to find the right angle. This one is just loosen the bolt, turn it, set it, and it's accurate. So the other one I was using, it wasn't accurate. I had to kind of just go with what I thought was not right, and sometimes stuff would just not fit right, so I'd have to kind of grind it and make it fit better. But this one, it's fast. This clamp, that's nice to have. You can just slide it up, pull it back down, tighten it. It's speedy compared to what I had before. And before I would have to use 2 hands to hold it solid and make sure it didn't try to just grab and pull out of the notch and turn the tube. It didn't even clamp on it very good. This thing, you don't even have to crank down on this thing. It clamps the tubing like it won't let go. These 2 are the handlebar crossbars. They get a 25-degree bend in them. Right at about 3.5, I'm pretty sure. Now that these are all bent and notched, I think that's everything except for the handlebar stubs, which I'm waiting for some tubing. But now we're going to start bending the mainframe. We'll start with the front since it's shorter and it doesn't have any offsets. The rear is going to get some offsets to lean the frame in. You'll see once I get to it. That's how this one's designed. I got an offset with it, and offsets are can be difficult, but when you do it multiple times, you get used to it and you develop a system, I guess. I don't know. The handlebars, the forks themselves are going to have a bend up like I have in this picture. But the one I'm building to sell, I guess, just going to build one, they're going to be straight, just like this other frames I build. I want to do some straight ones with the bent upper tube. So these next bends are going to be offset. Since the upper frame leans a little bit, this is going to have a bend one way, but it's going to have to be offset where it's not even with these other bends. Okay, so I needed to cut 2 of the tubing pieces down 1 inch each. It's the front to back engine mount tubing. I decided to try to notch 2 tubing pieces of tubes clamped in the Build Co Tools Guillotine notcher. So I'm going to experiment with this thing, see how the whole saw is worn and warped. It's a piece of crap. I'm going to see how it does. I need a new drill. This thing's a piece of crap. Probably need to get electric. So as you saw, it was no problem. If I had a new blade, it would have just chewed up through it faster than that, and if I had a better drill. So this thing held it solid, and it held 2 pieces together. So that'll help for the future if I need to cut 2 identical pieces. That'll help make them perfect. So I definitely recommend this notcher. I don't recommend this drill. So that's it for this video. This kit's almost done. I'll get it finished up and boxed up off camera. I'm still waiting on some 7/8 tubing for the handlebar stubs right here. But that's it for this kit. This is the neck and the mount. It comes with the bearings and the hardware. These are the axle, front axle with adjustable height. Rear axle. But yeah, this was for Haslip Cypherworks 1,000 subscriber giveaway. Go check him out and subscribe to him. He's going to be giving away cool stuff in the future too. Check me out on Instagram. Same name. I'm growing pretty good on there. I'm going to be doing some giveaways too. So subscribe and like my videos and share it. And so go create something.